Hello, welcome to Invisible Armor, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove a factory reset protection or Google account on a Samsung Galaxy S9 or any Galaxy phone. The way you know that there's an FRP or a Google account is that it doesn't allow you to put the skip button and choose Wi-Fi network when you factory reset it. What you need is a desktop, laptop, Mac, or anything like that, your phone of course, and a USB cable and a strong Wi-Fi connection. Alright, so what you want to do now is go to Google Chrome or your web browser. Go to invisiblearmorinc.com and don't go where it says unlock. Once you have unlock, put start unlock. And on the left hand side you're going to see an FRP Google removal. Click on that. And before you purchase it, you go ahead and contact us. The link is going to be in the bottom right. I'll show you right here. Or you can message us on Facebook as well too. Or you can just buy it ahead of time. And once you purchase it, you can contact us during normal business hours, or we reach out to you within 24 hours. It could be done remotely. And like I said earlier on, you can use a remote desktop, your phone, USB. What you want to do is download this link right here. It's called FlexiHub. That essentially just gives us access to your phone at home. So download the version you have. Most of us would have Windows, so go ahead and do that. Give it enough time to download. Click finish. And from there, this should be opening up. And what you need now is a token. And the way we'll give you a token once we get in contact with you. We will either email you the token. I'm using my email right now. It'll be under Cell Phone Museum, or it'll be under iGear Shop. And just pretty much just cut and paste the token that's right here. You could also use the link on top in case we haven't gotten in contact with you yet. So go ahead where it says login with token, cut and paste that one, and from here just plug in your phone. Let it be for a few seconds. From here, you'll notice that you could message us from right there. Only Windows users could actually use this. I'll write hello. And from what you'll notice is there's two cells that says comp and computer. You might have multiple devices, so if you unplug your USB, you'll notice that the thing goes away. That means that that's the comp that you will be using to unlock your phone. So if you plug it back in, you'll notice that it's plugged in, and it should show up again. And what we want to know is the comp. I think this one should say comp 6. So I'll go ahead and let the technician know. Just keep in mind that sometimes we do text, or we're contacting you through email. I'm just using this as an example because we could contact you directly from there. And it should take about approximately 5 minutes. Meanwhile, just let it be. I sped it up a little bit. Essentially, it disconnected, saying that it's been unlocked, and then you get a message from a technician letting you know that it's ready. So what you want to do now, once it's booted up again, go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna plug it. So just go through the steps. You're pretty much done from there. As you can tell, it says you go next to the next page. That's pretty much how you know that it's done. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 714-553-7734, or you could send us an email directly from our website at invisiblearmor.com. I'll leave all the information in the description down below. And other than that, you guys have a great day. Stay safe.